Hello friends, today I am back again with one of my keto special diets. This is a cauliflower rice called Lime and Cilantro Cauliflower Rice. So let's have a look at the ingredients now. I have around 3 cups of cauliflower rice. If you want to make cauliflower rice at home, check out my video in the description box below. Lime juice around 2 tablespoons, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander or cilantro leaves, 1 small size onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of butter and salt and pepper to taste. My pan has been heating and to this I'll add in my 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt a bit. I'll add in my garlic. I'll keep my flame on medium-high. Add in my chopped onions also. My onions and garlic has started to turn slightly brownish in color. Now I'll add in my cauliflower rice. Give it a good mix. Add in the salt and pepper. Mix it again. And cook it for around 3 to 4 minutes. I'll add in my lime juice and my cilantro leaves. I just leave a little bit for garnishing. It took me around 4 minutes to cook and it's now ready. So I'll switch off the gas and do the serving now. And I'll garnish it with a little bit of coriander on top. My lime and cilantro cauliflower rice is done. It tastes really good and this is one of my favorite cauliflower rice recipes. If you want to make cauliflower rice at home, then click on the link above or check it out in the description box below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.